Cash payment on Uber Eats. In this video, you're going to learn how to do cash payments on Uber Eats. So let's get started. First, go to the Uber Eats app in your mobile phone. After loading, you will see a screen like this. From here, go to the menu or search for the restaurants from where you want to pick your food. Then search the menu and look for the food you want to order. After selecting the order, click on the option that says Add one to basket. After adding to the basket, you will see a screen like this. From here, you can choose any option. For example, you can add utensil straws and things like this in your order, or you can add a note. After adding, if you want to add, after adding, go to the checkout option, and in the checkout option, you will see all of these options. And if you scroll down, you will see the payment methods. From the payment methods, select the cash option and then click on the option that says order and pay. Now your order is selected as cash on delivery. Now that's how you will be able to pay cash on Uber Eats. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.